Hello, and welcome to Cleaner Digs. Today, we're going to dive into a fantastic, eco-friendly trick for cleaning windows using newspapers. Here are the 4 steps. Step 1. Gather your supplies. You'll need old newspapers, a spray bottle with water and vinegar, and rubber gloves. Step 2. Crumple the newspaper into a ball. Make it loose enough to absorb liquid. Step 3. Spray your window. Cover the entire surface of your window with the vinegar and water mixture. Step 4. Start scrubbing. Use your newspaper to scrub the window in circular motions to remove dirt. Keep going until you've covered the entire window. That's it. Now you give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips from Cleaner Digs.